Welcome to this video on how to create notifications for vRealize Operation 6.5. IT and sysadmins today have an ever-growing sphere of responsibility. vRealize can help with that by keeping track of metrics, issues, and sending alerts for areas that need attention. In this video, a sysadmin wants to create an alert in the vSphere environment to warn of high CPU usage on a virtual machine. After logging into the environment, the first thing I need to make sure is that there is an SMTP server instance set up in Vrops. I do that by clicking on the People with a Gear icon, or Administration on the navigation pane. Next, I click on Outbound Settings. I now am looking for an instance here for my email server. If I don't see one, I can create one by clicking on the green plus icon. On the pop-up that appears, I click on Standard Email Plugin for the plugin type. I then fill out the rest of the details according to my environment. When finished, I click Test to test the connection to the SMTP server. If successful, I can click Save. Now that I have my SMTP instance set up, I can create the alert. To do that, I click on Content or the book icon in the navigation pane. Then I click on Notifications. I first need to give this notification a name. Next, I need to choose what type of alert this will be for. In this case, I am going to use email, and specifically the instance I just created. I now will choose the recipient of the email alert, the interval for the alerts, and how many alerts. I can also specify a description to put in the email. This could be special instructions for the recipient or other things. Finally, I want to tell it when I want to be alerted. I choose the scope first. Next, I choose an object. Specifically, I want my data center, so I get notified if any VM in the data center starts running hot. I want to make sure that I select the checkbox that includes descendants. Next, I choose the type of trigger. This will be alert type, and that alert type will be from the virtualization hypervisor and performance related. Criticality, I'm going to go ahead and choose all of them just in case. I want to see any alert far ahead of when it starts to impact my environment. Then I click Save. I have previously created one so I could see the message that is sent. When I go into my email, here it is. Notice it shows me the name of the machine and other details that would be important in order for me to rectify this issue. And that's all there is to it. This is now the end of the video.